Avenida Xian Xing Hai. We're gonna walk down that one. Give you a little context before we do. Grand Lapa Hotel, Sands Casino right there. That's the Macau Cultural Center down there. So Zhuhai de Paris with another casino at the end. But we're just gonna do this little small one just down this street right here. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Avenida Xian Xing Hai. Okay, so that's little Japanese place right there. It looks kind of cool. So yeah, that would be the waterfront down in that direction. Macau Cultural Center, Sands Casino, Fisherman's Wharf is on the other side of this. And we're just gonna walk down this little narrow street and just gonna give you a little context of, I could walk the whole street, but sometimes I just want to do little pieces of streets sometimes too. This is like a massage, body massage, stuff like that. A little expensive, right? It's about $338 is like, I don't know, maybe it's not $40 I guess, but if you're in Zhuhai, China, it'll be like about 100 probably. Okay. So this street's going to come to an end pretty quickly, but it's okay because I still just want to kind of give you the context of where we are. And if we started all the way over that end, you'd probably lose interest in the channel. Not in the channel, but in the video, well, before you got to this park right here. So you got some little black and white tiled park, Grand Lapa straight ahead. And this is our street right there. Star World is way over to the right, way down there. So that's just kind of show you some context of everything. Little playground, parking garage right there. Grand Lapa, Sands Casino. I'm just gonna walk down the park. This is called Zhuhai de Berlin. Might be a whole other video right there. So let's just end it right here. I think this is a good spot for ending it.